Hello guys, welcome in the new video, and today I'll show you how to make from this circle drawing like this. All you need is just a charcoal piece of the paper, and slowly step by step we will draw this beautiful apple. So the first step is to draw a circle. It doesn't need to be perfect shape because apples are of different shapes. So just do your best and make some round sketch or something similar, and then we can start slowly shape our apple. The next step is to add our main shadows, side of the apple where the light doesn't get, and as well where the apple stem will be. Small hole, so it's of course darkest. And now my most favorite thing of the drawing is to smudge everything with a finger, make mess, don't be afraid. You cannot make it wrong. Anything you make will be artistic. And now again we will do our shadow, we will go again over it, make some outlines, make shadow, just to make it stronger in color and more dark. Then we will use our finger again to dissolve the color, and then we will repeat. Maybe you're asking why. First thing is that we do our parts where is the shadow darker, and second thing is when we smudge, we will make small shadows around the apple that are not so dark. And don't be afraid that you maybe don't do it exactly how is the reference, because with the charcoal it's about expression, and even if it's a little bit different, it's still perfect. If you enjoy the process, that's the most important thing. Now we are adding some more shadows, and as well one trick for you: if you always smudge with one finger, then your finger will be dirty, so you can do some soft shadows with that dirty finger. And if you want erase anything, do it with your clean finger. So just follow all the steps how I do it, and I will see you in the end of the video. And that's it. Let me know how it was, what do you want me to draw, and see you next time.